In the world of digital photography, some names carry a weight far beyond the specs, and Hasselblad is one of them. Known for crafting cameras that have photographed everything from iconic portraits to the surface of the moon, Hasselblad doesn't just make cameras, it creates tools for history. And now, in 2025, the next chapter begins with the rumored Hasselblad X2D II. In this video, we're diving deep into what makes this camera one of the most anticipated releases in the medium format world. We'll explore the rumored specs in rich detail, from its 100-plus megapixel sensor, advanced autofocus system, and color science that could once again set a benchmark, to the stunning build quality, connectivity features, and why professional creators, luxury buyers, and digital artists are all watching closely. We'll also talk about what problems Hasselblad is trying to solve with this upgrade, how it competes with rivals like the Fujifilm GFX 102, and what this could mean for the future of medium format photography. Whether you're a working pro or a camera enthusiast hungry for the next innovation, this is a story of precision, power, and photographic heritage that you won't want to miss. Before we talk about the X2D II, we have to understand what the name Hasselblad represents. Founded in Sweden, Hasselblad is a brand tied to excellence, minimalism, and a pursuit of photographic purity. It's not just about megapixels. It's about the feeling of using a tool designed to deliver the cleanest, richest image files possible. Their cameras have famously been used on NASA missions, in high-end fashion studios, and by photographers who demand perfection. With the original X1D and then the X2D 100C, Hasselblad brought medium format into a compact, modern form, a mirrorless system that retained its elegance. Now, with the X2D II, they're refining the formula once again for a new generation of hybrid creators. The camera industry is evolving faster than ever. Content creators demand more speed, portability, connectivity, and cinematic tools, even in stills cameras. The original X2D 100C was beautiful but had limitations in autofocus speed and video features. Meanwhile, Fujifilm's GFX line pushed boundaries in both still and motion capture. Hasselblad knows it needs to respond. The X2D II is rumored to be Hasselblad's answer, an update that not only preserves their signature image quality, but finally addresses what modern professionals need: faster autofocus, better battery performance, improved video options, and deeper integration with editing workflows. In short, it's not just about refinement, it's about relevance. At the heart of the X2D II is expected to be the same 100MP backside illuminated BSI medium format sensor, measuring 43.8 by 32.9 millimeters, but with internal improvements. This sensor is known for incredible dynamic range, low noise, and stunning color depth. However, sources suggest we'll see enhancements in readout speed and image processing, enabling faster burst rates and better handling of high ISO situations. With 16-bit RAW capability, the files this camera produces are not just rich. They are ready for commercial printing, advertising, fashion, and fine art. Expect up to 15 stops of dynamic range, allowing you to recover detail from highlights and shadows like few other systems can. This is the kind of sensor that doesn't just capture light, it tells a story with it. One of the original X2D's few weak points was its autofocus, beautiful in good light, but slow and uncertain in challenging conditions. That's expected to change with the X2D II. Rumors suggest a completely overhauled phase detection autofocus system with cross-type AF points and enhanced subject tracking. We may also see AI-powered eye and face detection, making it more usable for portrait, fashion, and even event photography. In real-world terms, this means a wedding photographer shooting in shifting natural light could finally trust Hasselblad to lock focus on moving subjects, something previously unthinkable on this platform. The X2D II is expected to retain its 5-axis in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system, already one of the best in the medium format category. Early reports suggest it could be fine-tuned for better handheld performance, possibly offering up to 7 stops of compensation. For handheld shooters, whether they're capturing stills in natural light or shooting video. This is huge. Imagine a travel photographer walking through Morocco's old souks, capturing dimly lit scenes with clarity and sharpness. No tripod needed. Add in the iconic, minimalist Scandinavian design with a deeper grip and refined button layout, and the camera feels just as beautiful in your hands as the images it produces. Historically, Hasselblad hasn't focused much on video, but in 2025, that's no longer an option. The X2D II is rumored to introduce 4K video recording at up to 30 frames per second, with 10-bit color depth and flat profiles for grading. While it won't replace a cinema camera, it will now be a viable tool for hybrid shooters. Think fashion filmmakers, YouTubers, or luxury commercial creators who want a Hasselblad look in motion. With its medium format sensor, the depth of field and tonality in video could offer a unique cinematic flavor, something no full-frame camera can quite replicate. One of the X2D 100CS standout features was its 1 TB built-in SSD, and it looks like the X2D II will keep this feature while possibly upgrading to PCIe Gen 4 speeds, making file transfers even faster. It will also retain CF Express Type B card support for redundancy. On the connectivity front, expect faster USB-C 3.2, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.3, allowing faster tethering, cloud backup, and remote control. Whether you're syncing with Capture One or sending previews to a client on set, the X2D II is designed to move at the speed of modern workflows. The rear display is expected to remain a 3.6-inch tilting touchscreen with a stunning resolution of over 2.3 million dots. However, the OLED top display may get an upgrade for better visibility in bright sunlight. The interface remains Hasselblad's strength. Minimalist, clean, and built to reduce friction between your ideas and your images. Everything from white balance to file formats is just a touch away, and firmware updates will likely refine usability even further. In a world of cluttered menus, Hasselblad continues to offer calm. The Hasselblad X2D II isn't for everyone, and that's the point. It's a tool for those who know exactly what they want. A fine art photographer capturing textures in an ancient forest. A luxury brand campaign shooting watches or jewelry in exquisite detail. A portrait artist who demands tonal transitions and skin tones that feel alive. For these users, the X2D II is more than a camera. It's an extension of vision. Even in the era of AI-enhanced imaging, there is still something timeless about pure optical quality, and that's where Hasselblad reigns. The X2D II is more than a camera, it's a signal. Hasselblad is not fading into the background. It's evolving. By merging heritage with the demands of hybrid creators, Hasselblad is carving out a unique space, one that doesn't chase trends but instead sets standards. As the camera world pushes into automation, Hasselblad is doubling down on authentic craft, and that may just be the secret to long-term relevance. The Hasselblad X2D II isn't chasing specs, it's chasing perfection. It's not for the masses, but for those who understand the soul of an image. With its massive sensor, upgraded autofocus, cinematic video options, iconic design, and deep photographic heritage, this camera could redefine what a flagship medium format tool looks like in 2025. Whether you're a collector, a fine art storyteller, or a working professional looking to elevate your voice, the X2D II invites you to slow down and shoot with intention. And that, in a world of noise, is a revolution worth watching.